Great workout. Now it's time to play our listening games. We are going to stretch out words and say the sounds we hear. So for example, if the word is cat, you're going to stretch it out and the sounds you'll hear are k, a, t. Let's begin. Leg. Say the sounds in leg. That's right, the sounds in leg are g, leg. The next word is dip. Say the sounds in the word dip. That's right, the sounds in the word dip are d, I, p, dip. All right, here's our last word. It's a big one. The word is crab. Say the sounds you hear in crab. Great job. The sounds you hear in crab are k, b. Good job, boys and girls. Now it's time to play another listening game. This game, you have to really be a good listener because I'm going to ask you to listen for sounds in words. I'm going to ask you to listen for the first sound you hear in a word. Then I'm going to ask you to listen for the last sound you hear in a word. And then finally, I'm going to ask you to listen for the middle sound in a word. Let's begin. What's the first sound you hear in bug? That's right, the first sound is b. What's the first sound you hear in man? That's right, the first sound is m. Now I want you to listen for the ending sound in words. What is the last sound you hear? What is the last sound you hear in boat? That's right, the last sound in boat is t. What's the last sound you hear in tag? That's right, the last sound in tag is g. All right, now you really got to listen because it's going to get tricky. I want you to tell me what the middle sound is in a word. What middle sound do you hear in cot? Great job. The middle sound is ah. What middle sound do you hear in the word map? That's right. The middle sound in map is ah. All right, boys and girls, it's time to pull out a piece of paper and a pencil to write some sentences. I'm going to tell you a sentence, and then I want you to write it. Our sentences are going to have some sight words that you know and you can write in a snap, and they're going to have some turtle words where you're going to have to stretch out those words and write the sounds you hear. Go ahead and get your paper and pencil ready. Pause the video if you need to get your materials. We are going to write two sentences today. Listen to the first sentence. I went to the park. Say it with me. I went to the park. Pause the video now to write the sentence. Good job, boys and girls. Here's our second sentence. It was fun. Say it with me. It was fun. Write the second sentence. When you're done, take a picture of your work and send it to your teacher.